as Raja. Today I will discuss about the histology of the penis. So first of all, we will go through the transverse section of the penis. What are the identifying points in the transverse section of the penis? We have two corpora cavernosum, one corpus spongiosum, and these are the erectile tissue. It is covered by the tunica albuginea. Tunica albuginea also forms a septum between two corpora cavernosa, and another erectile tissue is the corpus spongiosum that contains the penile urethra, also called spongy urethra. The penis is covered by skin that is lined by stratified squamous keratinized epithelium. We have subcutaneous tissue, then deep fascia, that is also called Bach's fascia. That fascia covers all three erectile tissue. The corpus spongiosum is located ventrally. The corpus cavernosum on each side is located dorsally. And we have a lot of blood vessels on the dorsal aspect here. And there is a central artery of the penis that passes through the corpus cavernosum. So if you go to the transverse section of the penis, again, tunica albuginea is a dense fibroelastic connective tissue. This is the tunica albuginea, that is the dense fibroelastic connective tissue. It surrounds the corpus cavernosum. It also surrounds the corpus spongiosum. In corpus spongiosum, it is comparatively thinner than that of corpus cavernosum area here, and this is a fibroelastic connective tissue. So the corporal mass of erectile tissue are small blood vessels, and here this is the corpus cavernosum. Another one is here, corpus cavernosum. We have a lot of vascular spaces. These vascular spaces, blood vessels, and the smooth muscle trabeculae in between the spaces forms the erectile tissue. This will get the vascular spaces, and we have also get the central artery in the center of the corpus cavernosum. In the center of the corpus spongiosum, we will get the penile urethra. Okay. So if you go to the structure here in a histological section, here this is the corpus spongiosum. This is the penile urethra, also called spongy urethra. This is lined by pseudostratified columnar epithelium, or it may be lined by the stratified squamous epithelium. Especially in the glans penis area, it is lined by the stratified squamous epithelium. And this penile urethra mucosa is folded. It receives some urethral gland called glands of Leyden that opens into the penile urethra. So it is surrounded by the tunica albuginea here. Here again, this is the corpus cavernosa, and we have erectile tissue both in the corpus spongiosum as well as in the corpus cavernosum. This is the vascular spaces lined by the endothelial cell, and it is fed by the helicine artery. Helicine artery are branches of the central artery of the penis, and though that is also lined by the endothelial cell. And the artery, there is arteriovenous anastomosis. We have on the dorsum of the penis, we have also vein. Okay, so we got that, and these are the trabeculae, and trabeculae around the erectile tissue. With this erectile tissue are called cavernous spaces. Okay, they are lined by endothelium, and this is the muscle. This is the muscular trabeculae composed of smooth muscle. That muscle cells are spindle shaped, also contain collagen fiber and elastic fiber. This is the tunicale buggenia, that is a dense fibroelastic connective tissue. I am saying here one helicine artery. There is a branch of the central artery of the penis. This helicine artery will feed blood, will push blood to the cavernous spaces for the erection of penis. Okay, so we have some fact about the histology of the penis. The skin is loose and forms the foreskin over the glans penis. The skin may have some hair follicle at the root of the penis area. The undersurface of the foreskin is moist and contain mucous gland. So that is found only in uncircumcised penis. Okay, if it is circumcised penis, foreskin or prepuce is taken out so that it will not exist there. The glans penis is a continuation of corpus spongiosum. Skin of the penis is lined by keratinized stratified squamous epithelium. We have subcutaneous tissue under the skin. Then we have the deep fascia. This is called Bach's fascia. Then we have the tunicale buggenia containing 3 erectile tissue, 2 corpora cavernosa and 1 corpus spongiosum. Urethra is lined by pseudostratified or stratified coronal epithelium. Cavernous sinuses are lined by endothelial cell. Deep penile fascia, Bach's fascia, covers all 3 cavernous bodies. Okay, so this is the erectile tissue. It is receiving blood flow, blood by means of the helicine artery. Helicine arteries are branches of the central artery of the penis. Okay, there is also arteriovenous anastomosis. So what happened during the relaxation stage? Space is minimum. The helicine artery are also constricted due to parasympathetic stimulation during erection. What happened? There will be more blood is coming to the spaces, cavernous spaces. The artery wall become relaxed. The muscular trabeculae become relaxed. So that is parasympathetic stimulation that causes erection of penis. Okay. So at ejaculation, that is a sympathetic activity. There will be vasoconstriction. Okay, and there will be relaxation of the penis. It will be again flaccid. It will again flaccid like that. Okay, so during the erection of penis, there is collection of blood here, and venous return is blocked by the tunicale buggenia. Okay, so what is the mechanism of erection of penis? Erection is caused by parasympathetic stimulation and release of acetylcholine. That is the neurotransmitter. Okay, acetylcholine releases nitric oxide, that is NO, from the endothelial cells. Endothelial cells of the helicine artery, endothelial cell of the cavernous spaces or vascular spaces. Nitric oxide then diffuses into the smooth muscle. We have muscular trabeculae between the vascular spaces, activate guanylate cyclase to produce cyclic GMP, guanosine monophosphate, which relaxes the smooth muscle. The vascular spaces are filled with blood from the helicine artery and causes penile erection, and blood cannot go back because of the compression by the tunicale buggenia. At ejaculation, sympathetic stimulation constricts the helicine arteries and the trabecular muscle and decreases the blood flow to the vascular spaces. So erectile dysfunction can result from multiple reasons. One is the diabetes mellitus. Another one is atherosclerosis or long-standing hypertension or atherosclerotic diseases or vascular diseases due to anxiety or nervousness or due to nerve damage, maybe as a complication of prostate surgery or maybe due to damage to the spinal cord. So the popular drug sildenafil, that is Viagra, that is the product of Pfizer, is a phosphodiesterase inhibitor. It prevents the degrading of the cyclic GMP in the smooth muscles. The smooth muscle remain relaxed and vascular spaces are filled with blood from the helicant arteries, maintaining the erection of penis. Okay, so these are my references. So before going to conclude, we like to review some of them. We have gone through the erectile dysfunction. Okay, so let me go to the mechanism of erection of penis. So erection is done by the parasympathetic stimulation. The ejaculation and the flaccidness of the penis following the erection is done by the sympathetic innervation. Okay, so we got that. Now what happened? During erection of penis, there will be blood flow to the vascular spaces by means of the helicant arteries, and the blood cannot return back because of compression by the tunicale Virginia. Venous return is prevented. So that is the parasympathetic activity. Sympathetic activity includes the ejaculation and the constriction of the blood vessel and constriction of the muscles. Space will be limited, so there will be flaccid penis. Okay, we have to know that what is prepuce or foreskin that is present in uncircumcised penis and the mucosa underneath the foreskin is moist because of mucus secretion. Okay, and urethra, we have to find out the urethra. Urethra is present in the corpus spongiosum and it is lined by pseudostratified or stratified squamous columnar epithelium. Box fascia is the deep fascia. Okay, so this is corpus spongiosum. This is the urethra. It receives some duct of the mucous gland called urethral gland or gland of Litter. Okay, and this is the tunicale Virginia around the corpus spongiosum. This is corpus cavernosum. Okay, and this is the erectile tissue here, vascular spaces with muscular trabeculae that contain smooth muscle and also the elastic fiber and collagen fiber. Okay, we have also seen some helicant artery here. It will feed the vascular spaces. Okay. Okay, we have corpus cavernosum, and corpus spongiosum containing the urethra. Urethra is in the corpus spongiosum. This is the septum. It is also formed between the corpus cavernosum. There is also formed by the tunicale Virginia. Okay, we got the transverse section of the penis. This is the central artery of the penis. These are all are cavernous spaces. There is tunicale Virginia that forms septum, and also there is tunicale Virginia around the corpus spongiosum, and the corpus spongiosum contains the spongy urethra. The skin, superficial fascia, the deep fascia cover all three erectile tissue. That is called box fascia. And that's all about the histology of the penis. Please penis me and have a nice day. Bye now.